In this video, we are going to learn how, as an Academy owner, we can view and manage the batches in the Org Admin Dashboard. To view any batch that is currently running for our courses, we can navigate to the Batches section in the left menu, and then go to the Upcoming section under the Batches menu. Under Upcoming, we will find a section where we can type the name of the course for which we want to see the batches. We can also select it from the drop-down list. The system will automatically show us the number of batches available for enrollment at this time. For example, there may be 15 batches in which learners can be enrolled. By default, the enrollable option is ticked. This means that all the batches shown here are open for enrollment. Only enrollable batches are shown on the course page. However, in the Batches menu, you can uncheck this box to see all batches. For a batch to be enrollable, 3 conditions must be met. First, the batch must have a vacancy on a specific date, so it should not be full. Second, the batch should not be locked. If a batch is locked, we will not be able to enroll the learner, and the lock option will appear as locked. Third, the batch should have enough days left for the student to complete the course. In the Batches section, we can see the batch label, the instructor delivering the batch, the days of the batch, how many active students are currently enrolled, the start and end date, and the time of the batch. Other details include personalization, whether it's group or one-to-one, and the teaching mode, such as online or offline. The Max Seats field shows the maximum number of students allowed in one batch. At the top, there are several filters. For example, if we want to see batches running in the evening, we can select the evening filter. We can also use certain date options at the top. If we want to enroll a learner on December 15th, we just click on the December 15th option, and all batches with a vacancy on that date will be shown. We can then enroll the learner in any available batch. If we want to see all past batches that have ended, we can go to the Past Batches section. Here, we can type the name of the course, select it from the drop-down, and see all batches that previously ran for this course. This is how we can view and manage batches in the Yuno Org Admin Dashboard.